What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And today I want to talk about a badass little F250 here in the shop, getting some pretty cool suspension or steering upgrades from our guys at S&B Filters. Now, the reason why I think they're so cool is because they came up, or they have a pretty cool design for the steering dampener, which I think is great. Let's check out what the client is getting here today. Boom, here we go. So right out the bat, we got the factory tie rod. That is factory, right? There's nothing special about it. We are replacing the track bar assembly as well. Now, this track bar is from S&B Filters. Pretty cool little track bar. Very, very well put together. I love everything about it. The other thing is we're doing the factory drag link assembly. Boom, nothing special about that. Now, what I do want to talk about is this component right here. If you don't know, you're fixing to find out. This is the steering dampener, the Elite Performance one from Fox, offered by S&B Filters. Now, the thing that makes this kit or this part so cool is that if you notice, for the most part, these bad boys go to your drag link right here, which goes from your pitman to the knuckle right there. This one, however, this part goes directly to your pitman arm through a bracket that S&B Filters offers. Now, the reason why I love everything about this right here is that you often run into an issue when you're doing steering stabilizers like that go to the drag link. If your drag link fails either at this joint here or at this joint over here, the steering stabilizer's use kind of goes down the drain, and it actually has the potential to fail earlier than normal. So what I like about this one is that because they're going directly to the pitman arm, you eliminate any kind of room of failure for that drag link right there. So I think this is pretty damn cool. I think this will overall give the client more performance out of this steering stabilizer and help him feel more in control of his truck. We've actually done another one of these kits on a couple other clients, and we have gotten some really positive feedback. We love them. One of them, he didn't even know he was getting this a part of his kit, and he called us back and said, "Man, what the hell did you guys do to my truck? This thing feels amazing." So pretty damn cool that we are getting some pretty good feedback off of them. Man, I'm always excited to deal with some of the best companies in the industry because, man, the results are just badass, A1, and that's what I like, one and done. So again, thank you guys, all the support. If you guys have any questions on any of the products we offer here on our little shop action episodes, or you want to get your Super Duty hooked up with one of these badass steering stabilizers or any S&B Filter steering upgrade parts, always feel free to reach out to us at the office or hit us up on social media. We love to chat. We love everything about reaching out to you guys. Peace.